Welcome to this detailed tutorial on creating a looping video background in PowerPoint. In this session, you will learn how to set up your presentation so that your video continuously plays throughout your slideshow. This process is straightforward and will not require any extra steps beyond those we cover here. Begin by launching PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure your program is up and running and that you are comfortable with navigating its interface. Opening the application is the starting point for all your slideshow creation tasks and ensures that you have access to all the editing features you will need in this guide. Once PowerPoint is open, the next step is to locate and open the PowerPoint presentation you wish to work on. This may be an existing project that you are updating or a new presentation that you have just created. Having your presentation open allows you to immediately incorporate the looping video background. Take a moment to confirm that your presentation is in edit mode so that you can easily modify the slide content without any issues. When your presentation is ready, locate the video that you want to use as your background element. Navigate to the slide where the video is placed and click on the video itself. Selecting the video is crucial because it activates additional options specific to video editing within PowerPoint. This step ensures that any modifications you make affect the correct object. After selecting the video, direct your attention to the toolbar and click on the tab dedicated to video playback options. This is typically known as the Playback tab. The Playback tab contains settings tailored to how the video operates during your presentation. Familiarizing yourself with these options is beneficial as it gives you greater control over the video's behavior. Understanding and using the playback settings can greatly enhance the overall flow and professional quality of your presentation. With the Playback tab now active, you will find an option labeled something similar to Loop Until Stopped. To make your video repeat continuously, check the box for Loop Until Stopped. This setting instructs PowerPoint to play the video in a loop, ensuring that it continues to run without any unexpected pauses or stops during your presentation. This feature is especially useful for background videos where the visual element should be consistently engaging without user intervention. By following these steps carefully, you now have a looping video that will serve as your presentation's background. This smooth and continuous video playback can enhance the visual appeal of your slide, keeping your audience engaged throughout your talk. In summary, you first launch PowerPoint, then open your desired presentation, select the video on your chosen slide, access the Playback tab, and finally check the loop option to ensure it repeats. This method is efficient and helps maintain a professional look throughout your presentation, delivering a seamless multimedia experience for your viewers. Enjoy crafting your next dynamic presentation with a stylish, uninterrupted video background.